Welcome to the Zypractica Invisible Ink Test. For this experiment, you'll need your reusable writing pad, the invisible ink pen from the Experiment 1 bag, a bit of soap water, and a clean cloth. First, place the writing pad on a flat, clean surface. Now, use the invisible ink pen to write a secret message on the pad. Don't worry, no one will see it yet. Let the ink dry completely for a few moments. It's time for the reveal. Use the built-in UV light on the other end of the pen. Shine it over your message and watch the magic happen. To use the pad again, simply take your clean cloth, dip it in a little soap water, and gently wipe the message away. Let's check to make sure it's all gone. As you can see, the pad is perfectly clean and ready for your next secret experiment. Thank you for watching.